reminder for you, Father's Day is Sunday.
So this is the time to spoil their stomachs. Family foodie Isabel Laessig is here with some simple, fun ideas. Welcome back.
Oh, thanks for having me.
You brought a colorful spread for us today.
I sure did. And you know, so here's the inspiration. Pinterest this year said foil packs were going to be a trend.
Oh.
And sure enough, you know, they of course came out with that in January. Sure enough, by this summer, you can't open a magazine or look at anything without foil packs.
I don't really know exactly what that means.
Huge
so
trend.
Is that when you just make a little pocket with your foil and put everything inside?
Yes,
and in the oven or on the grill? Or
So, right, it could go either way.
Okay.
And think about the cleanup, right? When you're
That's what I was
cooking,
gonna say.
how
Yeah.
nice is that?
Yeah.
And the kids could help too because it's so easy.
There you go.
Yeah, so
all right.
of course on our website we have now a whole bunch of foil packs, but I thought, you know, for Father's Day, how perfect is it to do like a little surf and turf?
Yeah,
so we're
that
going
sounds
to do
good.
some sirloin steak and some shrimp, and then of course potatoes and lots of veggies, all in the pack.
Okay, so how do we start?
Okay, who's going to do one? Are you both doing one?
Yeah.
Sure.
You walk us through and then correct us
Okay.
if we're doing something wrong.
Okay, perfect. So you get to choose, and also think about how fun this would be for a party. Everybody could put what they like in there, right?
God. You don't have to really do much work.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so you decide whether you want both steak or shrimp.
Okay.
And that is just really thin, certified Angus beef sirloin steak. You could get it, you know, locally at Shainer's Market. And then I always try to get U.S. shrimp. So,
Thank you.
you know, ingredients always matter. Look at you
you.
guys.
Wait, what kind of steak did you say?
A certified Angus beef
Certified Angus,
sirloin steak, but you want it really thin.
I know you
think
like your
about,
certified Angus.
Yes, I do. So you don't want it to be, you know, too thick because then it'll take too long to do.
How did you season this?
Okay. Salt, pepper, thyme, garlic, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So look at you.
You kind of
getting
spread it
fancy.
out?
Yeah,
Okay.
no, that's great.
All right.
Okay, then you decide your topping. So we have some onions, some potatoes. Now the potatoes are parboiled so that they could cook quickly.
I love onions.
Yeah.
What kind of boiled?
Parboiled, so you boil them like
parboiled.
halfway.
Okay.
Just to get them, you know, to make sure they're cooked all the way through. Because these are super quick. They're 15 to 20 minutes.
And you can personalize this, add some other veggies that
Oh
you
my gosh,
like,
absolutely.
Right?
You know, I added some asparagus over there and some corn. So really the possibilities are endless of what you can do, okay?
Is this you said red pepper on these?
Yes, yes,
Ooh,
yep,
yum, yum,
yep. Okay.
I love these little potatoes. They're so
Aren't they the best? They cook so fast. I love them. So some green beans. Look at you guys. You have similar palates.
We do.
We like it all.
So do we use any seasoning to put on top?
Yeah, so I would recommend the one in the oil. So I pre-made right there.
here.
So I
I
pre-made.
see.
So again, there's thyme in there. There's garlic. There's paprika. And it makes such a nice sauce.
That's pretty.
Yeah, look at that.
How much do you want to put on there?
I would put, you know, about a tablespoon.
Okay.
You're good,
Grab
yeah.
a lemon over
you
here.
want
And then,
Yes. Lemon is good. Lemon is
yes.
good.
So
Yeah,
everyone
work
can either
it.
make their own. Look at you. Yep.
Okay, this
Squeeze
is
a
fun.
lemon.
I
So
kinda
you can
feel like
either
I'm
do your
painting.
own or, you know, do one large one that the family could share.
Okay, great idea.
Yeah.
And how long does this take about?
Okay, so then you're going to put it either in the oven or a hot grill.
Okay.
Oven at 400 degrees.
Teach us the folding.
Okay. Oven 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, not
Yeah?
bad at all.
Okay, now fold one, two.
As far over as I can.
Yep, squeeze it in there.
Okay. So we want a tight little pocket.
Yep, very
Okay.
good. Two.
Okay.
And then both sides. Look at you, perfect.
Oh, that's
this
it.
look?
And then
There's
you just
no-
place it right in the oven. At the end, I like after about 15, 20 minutes, I will turn on the broiler for like a minute and just let it get a
Okay.
little bit of color on
There's
top,
no
so.
way to mess this up with the folding, huh?
No, look at that.
Okay.
Right? Can't you see kids doing that for dad?
Absolutely.
Right?
Nice.
You could do it when you go cooking. You know, it's just so easy and it's packed with flavor.
And you have this recipe on your
Yes.
website. For
Yes.
these and many more, go to sundaysuppermovement.com. Thank you, Isabel.
Thanks.